Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Professor Lane, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an exponential trend line in Excel. Now typically in math books we call these exponential regression lines or regression equations or the line of best fit. And I don't know why Excel picked to use the verbiage trend line, but that's what they used, so that's what we'll call it. So here I have some data, and let's pretend that this data represents the amount of people or the number of people that know a juicy bit of gossip at a high school. So on day 0, only 2 people know it, maybe the person that did it and then somebody that witnessed this. And the next day, they told some people, so now we're up to 5 people that know the gossip. And people tell people and then tell people, and then by the end of the week on day 5, 65 people in this school know whatever juicy piece of gossip we're talking about. So let's say that you want to come up with a model that shows the number of people that know the gossip based on what day it is. To do this in Excel, we're going to start by highlighting all of our data and then go up to Insert, Scatter, and pick the Scatter Plot option that just has dots. We don't want any lines connecting the dots at this point. And I'm working in Excel 2016, so I'm going to go over beside Scatter Plot and add axis titles, and I can just type on them that this represents the day, and then our vertical axis represents the number of people. And I might title this chart the spread of gossip. All right, so we've got some nice titles and labels. It's always good to title and label your graphs. So now to get the trend line, what I'm going to do is right-click on one of the data points. So I'm right-clicking on a data point and then go down to Add Trend Line. And this one is an exponential. You can see the nice curve. And then I want to check Display Equation and Display R squared. So that's going to give me an exponential regression equation. The initial value is 2.2259, which is really close to the 2 people that did initially know this piece of gossip. And then we are raising it to it's e to the 0.665 power. And our R squared is 0.9936, which means it's a pretty good graph. In general, the closer R squared is to 1, the better the line fits the data. So that's how we get an exponential trend line in Excel.